Remember that Barracuda hack that happened last month? It was so bad, Barracuda recommended replacing the appliances instead of patching them. Now we've got some tea to spill. This is Katy Craig in San Diego, California. Turns out suspected state-backed Chinese hackers went all in on this one. They used a sneaky security hole in Barracuda's email security appliance to infiltrate hundreds of organizations worldwide. And get this, nearly one-third of them were government agencies. We now know who's behind it. According to Mandiant, the cybersecurity firm on the case, this cyber espionage extravaganza was allegedly orchestrated by a group tied to the People's Republic of China. Barracuda Networks, the company behind the compromised email security appliance, has been on top of things, recommending a complete replacement of affected devices since they first discovered the hack. It's great to see them taking responsibility and addressing the issue head on. Let's not forget that cyber espionage is a game played by many. The US government has been pointing fingers at China, accusing them of being the top cyber espionage threat. Of course, China isn't one to back down. They've accused the US of hacking into their universities and companies too. In today's world, they'd be stupid not to. This is Katy Craig. Stay safe out there.